And I Kelly they talk. Ah, my honorable. Baba, your boys dey now. Your boys dey. Twale, I dey hear you now. Where I dey now, I raise up my 2 hands. They twale for you, Baba. Baba, we dey now. Since that 2:15, you forget your boys. We dey, Ben dey. Those your boys them dey. We dey any level. We no say on a time don't reach now. Time wey we dey use arrange for now. Huh? Okay, this year, but wetin we dey do now? We no get job now. Na normal election something. How you want me to be? Okay, you want me to go hijack ballot box for this election? Baba, no wahala. Now you know say that job now 5 people dey do am and na only 3 remain now. If you go fit arrange 2 of your sons, the ones wey dey US, make 2 come join us, make we go run am. I mean your pikin, no be your pikin. Okay, they no dey. They dey America. Okay. No, e good as you talk, Baba. E good. E good as you just change am. More run the other level. Plan B. If A no work out, B go work out. Baba. Okay, more arrange. More gather like 100 people. We go vote for your party, your own party. Baba, if you want 500 people, we will get them. They stand by as they talk to you with their voters card. They do. Now price now go. No. You know say that last year on a 5k and now na be the ruling. What you need now na 30k, 30,000 every 30,000. Now 30. No, 30,000. My honorable, we greet you. Baba, if anybody would say you no go this turn on that person they lie. Now you go still rule. Now you go still be honorable. I know you now go play my guys on the tape. We go come see you for your office. Okay, you go call me. When I dey with them, you go call me. No wahala. Honorable. Twale, I throw salute for you, sir. Now you sure, Baba? This year go good now. This election, now only election at the airports. The promise where he promised us, both the America, everything, all of them. No wahala, Baba. Thank you. My honorable. Baba, they make chance for you now, make way for you. They no be the 12 tenor you they go. Any even though now 16 tenor you won't go, they with you, Baba, not level, no shaking. Anybody will try you go down. Thank you, sir. Okay. I go. No wahala. If I reach, we will send you account number. Maybe you follow me. Coordinate boys so go read the election for her. You know what they do now? They give you 5k, you place your own.
You sure say honorable call you?
Honorable, make I show now our normal election package now.
One that shall never end. Election don't come again. Honorable don't remember how. You say you know the title of the newspaper. You want that? No, they read this bad. Let's see this thing don't give you.
My life. Which one I bring come now?
Oh boy. We bring better news show. Better news.
You always bring news.
They give her small.
But you they read paper, you know they current. Now me go they give you current news. Wetin dey happen now. You vote, they give you your money. You vote, they give you envelope as a return. Then honorable call me.
Honorable call you.
I dey tell you.
Honorable call you.
Omo, dey that me. Honorable call me. Honorable call me. I come the answer.
Leave that thing. Go straight to the point. Wetin honorable tell you, tell this guy.
See, Baba, honorable Semo will come run our normal for 4 years. Paros all dey run. We go organize boys, girls, papa, mama. You vote, they give you envelope. Na wetin we wan run this year, no darling.
Kelly dey talk too plenty. I no dey for plenty talk. This year 2019 no be 2015. Rabas dey this thing. Ticket go fall out. Na my percentage me I dey after.
I no dey use na head. Eh?
Which one be? We no dey use our
You
head.
dey use your head now. See as you don dey talk rappers dey rap. See, may I ask you this one? Since 2015 so wey honorable call you, which day call you again? No be since that 2015.
Baba leave that thing.
May I leave that thing?
Leave that thing.
2015 he call you, we go serve vote, we go carry ballot box. We do finish, he forget say you dey exist. And now you dey here dey tell me again, you come say honorable call again. No go organize, no go mobilize. You no dey use their head. Every 4 years na they dey remember say we dey. Every 4 years na they dey remember say we dey this town. See the kind community, see the kind environment we dey stay. Na them dey stay GRA, government house. Na we dey stay for village, dey stay for ghetto. We need people wey go give us better light. See, NEPA never reach this community for the past 2 weeks. We need people wey go give us good light, good roads, in fact basic amenities wey we need for our life. Oya, may I ask you now, the 100k wey they give us, 100k wey they give us since 2015, where the 100k now?
Baba, na talk so.
When na they use their head now.
Na talk you talk.
I don't finish.
E don tey. At the end of the day, you will sell our futures, sell the future of our unborn children, sell the future of our next generation for a parcel, for a peanut. At the end of the day, we still live in this ghetto. Una no see the car area wey dey stay.
But na true talk.
You na the fuck up o. See, go their compound now for GRA or government house, you go see say they na big mansions that they stay. See we now, see the kind houses where they stay. You know the shame say they pass this kind road, they come house. They come tell me I go sell ballot, me I go sell my PVC. Their children no dey. Na here we dey, Oshiko Hanifa and collect bullet for these guys and here they go down.
You don't forget that follow go the racket now.
You sef una sef dey here dey see the
Baba na talk you talk so.
E come be like say na jazz these people dey use on us.
No na mumu jazz.
They just dey do us like say we be tissue. They go use us, dump us. Okay, na him make that time wey him call. Him come dey tell me say him wan make our three go hijack ballot box. Now I come plan tape say, Baba, if na so na make him give us one of him son wey dey US, make all of us go play. He come change the talk say he wan more arrange. Make we organize people wey go come election, all those kind stuff. Make we organize. So no wonder them now go dey answer honorable, we go dey answer criminal.
Na we be nuisance. Na we be street boys. After this one now, they don drive jeep, heavy jeep comot. Baba use your head.
Baba, the level be say wait. We no dey for plenty talk. The level be say nah, if honorable call you, Kelly, the honorable say we no dey do again. Our mumu don do.
See, even if I wan do am, make una no come my house, make una no come tell me again. I no dey that kind of shit. You dey hear me?
We need person wey go change this, wey go upgrade us.
I dey tell you.
We go upgrade us. See school now. You go dey waka now, SARS go see you, carry you for nothing. Wey you
even if you no go school, your level, our level now, they suppose give us work. What we go dey do?
Now the mumu man dey call me. Honorable. Na him na.
Guy pick and tell am say we no dey do.
Yep. Na Kelly dey talk. You say, see, Baba, go find another people wey go fit run that level. As you see us now, we don repent. Na church we dey go like this. we don repent shebi your pikin dey abroad him be gangster for abroad make him call those gangsters wey dey abroad make dem come run am for you we no fit run that level again we don change. baba I say we no dey do am again you no dey hear network dey disturb for ear.
That's it, no dey hear for
we
afternoon.
no dey do am again.
die that call cut am for your head make you know say you dey serious.
we don repent.
That's it,
we no dey do election package
that man
again.
no dey hear for afternoon.
wait I no dey hear you.
na every year na person go dey mumu.
see this man o.
Our mumu don do.
so as we dey 3 na him like us from 10 to 3 we no dey grow see where we dey o this people wicked o.
work dem they promise say they go give us work governor call us even go in office last time for 2015.
wetin dey give us no be drink.
where the work now. this time around we are not voting for money we are not voting for parties we are voting for candidates that will deliver good amenities that will give us good roads good electricity good education.
no security.
now insecurity is everywhere job opportunity as you dey here you dey work for government house na bad thing.
no be bad thing o.
make I tell you for the past 2 weeks if say you dey blind for the past 2 weeks we no get electricity for this community and you tell me make I go sell my vote I'm not see if I wan do that kind of business una no reach my house you hear me una no come my house
if you sell am now na next 4 years again o.
na the next dey be like say na now e dey cap.